just flat?
Just put it out and then pull it down. Zach, how did you like it?
We're selling it!
I'm Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs.
All right, what Zach is holding is the original car drying towel called Rapid Dry Towels. I purchased this down in Des Moines, Iowa at the Good Guys Car Show. This is the original, copied many times, Rapid Dry Towel. So here's what I promised the gentleman. I promised that we would purchase two, which we did, and I promised we'd do a video on it. We paid full price for the towels. I seen him demoing it at the car show, and I said, you know, that works really well. So right out of the box, Zach is gonna pull it out. The first thing he's gonna do is look for the tag and rip that bad boy off. That's a big ass towel.
Yeah.
Now, the reason why he's taking the tag off is because that definitely will scratch paint. Any tag will scratch paint. You don't want to scratch your beautiful paint because that literally 20 seconds takes care of that problem. So the gentleman just said, open it up like a chamois and pull it across the hood.
Oh, it was flat?
Just put it out and then pull it down. And you know, everywhere that it actually hit is dry. Now, as you know, the Camaro has some pretty wild curves. So you're gonna have to push it down into the curves to get it. The rumor is one towel without any wringing whatsoever will dry an entire car. So that is the test we're putting it to today. Now, this is straight out of the box. We did not wash it. We did nothing to it. When you do take care of this, no laundry detergent. When you dry it on a high setting, mild laundry detergent. When you dry it, you use a high setting because that gets out all the hard water deposits, I am told, loosens them up, gets them out. Yeah, it's where it's touching. Drying it right off. So, back in the old days, in my time, yes, years ago, we used to use leather chamois. And then this replaced the leather chamois. So again, this is a 1982 Camaro. So that's your body size that we're dealing with. He has yet to wring out the chamois. And he's still going. All right, so what did we discover? The Rapid Dry Towel, the original Rapid Dry Towel, will do an entire Camaro, a vehicle that size. Now, the towel is saturated. This vehicle, very good paint protection. A lot of water just beat it up on that. But the review is, right out of the bag, it does its job. Zach, how did you like it?
I think it worked pretty good. except for all the small, the small little cracks and crevices. But
Would you buy one?
yeah,
There you
I
go.
don't think so.
Right out of the bag, used. Pretty much spot free. Did its job. Long and short, if you want a towel that's going to dry your vehicle, the original Rapid Dry Towel will work out pretty good. All right, there is our 2 cents worth on the Rapid Dry Towel. Chris with Legendary Customs based out of La Crosse, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, follow. We appreciate it. Comment down below if you own a Rapid Dry Towel. We'll see you later.